Hey gorgeous, welcome to the Slave Room. If this is your first time watching, my name is Sharaya Monet and welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get those alerts, honey, okay? Now today we are giving you this beginner-friendly Auburn slay. I'm going to go into full detail with how I apply each shadow and which products I use. I completed my foundation routine off camera beforehand, and here is where I left off. Okay, this is the palette that we're going to be using, the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. Okay. Oh, first things first, what you're going to do is prime your entire eyelid. I am using the P. Louise base in Rumour 05. I already have a little bit on my hand, so I'm just going to take my concealer brush, dab some of that product on the mobile lid, and then blend it out towards the brow bone. Make sure that that base is evenly spread so that your eyeshadow has a clean canvas. Okay, we're gonna start off with the lid first. We're gonna take this color right here, which is called Jamila. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And we're going to spread that color all over our mobile lid. This is so pretty. Don't be afraid to extend that color up towards the crease a little bit. Beautiful. Now we're going to brighten that up by going in Sokoto, which is a more red version of that same color. So taking a blending brush like this, dab some of that Sokoto, and you're literally blending it right on top of the Jamila color. Beautiful. And last but not least, we want to clean up that brow bone area. And I'm actually still going to use the same brush, but we're going to go into Katsina, which is like a flesh tone brown color, and blend out those edges. I'm doing circular motions because that just helps to blend out the two colors. Actually, I'm alternating between like circular motion and windshield wiper motion. I am team blend that brow bone. Excellent. Okay, the lid is done, and now we're just gonna pop a little bit of shimmery gold in the tear duct. We're taking the color Senegal, which is sort of like a bronzy gold, but when it goes on top of that red, it looks sort of coppery. It's really, really pretty. Pop it right in the tear duct, just like that. And then go back with that blending brush and then just blend it upwards. Beautiful, pretty simple. Okay, now normally I would just take a black kohl eyeliner, but I actually ran out of my retractable eyeliner, but that's okay. because I have a hack for you. I'm gonna go with this sort of matte black color right here in the same palette. The color is called Chad, and I'm gonna take an eyebrow brush. Yes, it's a small angled brow brush. I'm going to use that to actually line my waterline with the color Chad. Now be very careful because you know your eyes, you don't want to irritate your eye, but I'm just gonna hold up my eye really far and gently place that color going along my waterline. Beautiful. Okay, now it's time for our lashes. Get your favorite mascara. I'm old school, so I still use the Maybelline Great Lash in Very Black. What you want to do is actually take the mascara and pull your lashes downward. This helps for easier application of the lashes. Also, a lot of the time we have fallout from our eyeshadow on our natural lashes, and then you can see it underneath your lashes. So putting the mascara on top just fixes all of that. Now I'm actually going to put the glue on my lashes and pop it on. Okay, we're gonna let that dry a little bit so that the glue can get tacky. And while that is drying, let's go ahead and put our lower lash line colors. Taking Sokoto, which was that really red look, or that red color that we put in the brow bone area. Go ahead and clean up the black on your lower lash line. Now take that gold from our tear duct color, Senegal, and place it right in the inner corner of your line. Not too much, just a little bit. And lastly, we're going to blend everything with Katsina. That was that natural brown looking color. Lately, I've been really feeling like the really low lash line color, almost like I'm going into my bags. So pretty. Okay, I think our lash glue is tacky enough. Time to pop that on. I love these lashes. They're really long, but they're super thin and wispy. So it's like it's giving you some va-va voom without doing too much. Yes. And now let's get some mascara on those bottom lashes. Beautiful. And our eyes are done. Let's blend out this face, put some cheeks and some lips on, and we will be finished. I think I'm gonna go with an orange blush today. Yes, let's do that, and let's stick with the Saharan. So I'm using Juvia's Place the Saharan, but this is the blush palette, the volume 1 palette. I'm actually going to take a little bit of that reddish brown blush and pop it right on top of my contour, just to deepen it a little bit. That's beautiful. And same brush, flip it over and put some orange on those cheeks. Ooh, that's really pigmented. I didn't have to put that much on the brush, but once I put my highlight on and blend it out, she's gonna give you life, okay? Same thing on the other side. And now it's time for the highlight. This is like my favorite highlight of all time. The Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter in the color V Royalty 2. I just, like, look at that. Oh my goodness. It doesn't get any more gorgeous than that. Take your fan brush, gently tap it, because trust me, this stuff, oh, and that was not gentle. Ah! You know what, that's okay. My cheeks are just gonna be on snow globe. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. What happened? Ooh, child. I OD'd. Now for our lips. Beautiful. Okay. I didn't name the colors yet because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like that lip, but I do. I love it. So the colors that I used were NYX Liquid Suedes. The first color is like a really deep chocolate brown. And the color is called Club Hopper. Very pretty. The second color of the Liquid Suede is sort of like a peachy nude, and it's called the Initiator. And then lastly, I topped it off with a Plumping gloss. This color is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's their Plumping gloss line, and the color is called Mocha Twist. Okay, I'm going to get some setting spray. I'm just using the Mario Rose Water, and then I'll come back with the finished face. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with how many times you think I said the word beautiful. Give this look a try and tag me on Instagram at _theslayroom_. I would love to repost you, okay? Now thank you so much for watching, and remember, every day, wake up and slay.